Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Did you know that your Mac has dozens of hidden settings that you normally can't access from system settings? Things like changing Finder behavior, customizing the dock, modifying Safari settings, and unlocking extra macOS options. And the best part, you don't need terminal commands or complicated hacks. In this video, I will show you how to use TinkerTool for Mac to access and customize these hidden settings safely. Let's get started. First, let's know what is TinkerTool. TinkerTool is a free utility for macOS that gives you access to additional settings and preferences that Apple does not normally expose in the standard system settings app. Instead of typing complicated terminal commands, TinkerTool puts many of these options into a simple graphical interface. You can customize different parts of macOS, including Finder, Dock, Safari, applications, fonts, and more. First, let's download TinkerTool. Open the browser. Now search for TinkerTool for Mac and press enter. You can see here the official website Marcel. Download TinkerTool. Click on it. Now you can see here the download button at the right side. Click on it. Now click on allow. As you can see, the download is successfully done. Drag this DMG file to the desktop. Now close the browser. Now simply double click on the DMG file TinkerTool. Now click on agree. Now you can see here the installer mode TinkerTool. Just simply double click on this TinkerTool icon. Now click on open. Now click on continue. That's it. Now you can see here the interface of TinkerTool. Once you open TinkerTool, you will see different categories for macOS customization. The exact options can vary depending on your macOS version. Let's look at some of the most useful ones. First, here you can see the Finder. Okay, customize Finder. The Finder section gives you additional options for changing how Finder behaves. You can see here, for example, you can enable show hidden and system files. If you click on this, you will see here the hidden files and system files in Finder. If you check this will disable the Finder sound effects. And if you check this will disable text off features of Finder. Okay. And if you click on this will add quit item to Finder menu. And all this Finder options, animation effects, you can see here animate opening info panels and desktop icons. It is tick, it will animate it. If it untick, it will not animate. Network access, restricted Finder. Okay, now let's come to the dock. Second one. TinkerTool provides additional options for changing the appearance and behavior of the macOS dock. Depending on your macOS version, you may find options for things like here dock options, restricted dock, stacks, single application mode, spacing, and here minimizer effect. You can see here the effects. Okay, just change the settings according to your preference. Now let's come to the Safari on the application. Okay, TinkerTool can also expose additional Safari preferences. These settings can be useful for advanced users who want more control over Safari behavior. Keep in mind that some options may change or disappear as Apple updates macOS and Safari. So if you don't see a particular settings on your Mac, it may simply not be supported on your current version. So why use TinkerTool instead of Terminal? Terminal gives you much deeper control, but it requires knowing the correct commands and syntax. TinkerTool provides a graphical interface for many common hidden preferences. So if you're not comfortable using terminal, TinkerTool can be a much easier option. Overall, TinkerTool is a great utility for Mac users who want more control over macOS without having to learn dozens of terminal commands. It's particularly useful for advanced customization, troubleshooting, and discovering settings. If you like customizing your Mac, TinkerTool is definitely worth checking out. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share for more useful Mac tips, apps, and tutorials. Thank you for watching.